Have you ever wondered why you have a Social Security number? The 9-digit Social Security number, also referred to as an SSN, was created in 1936 for one reason and one reason alone: to track the earnings of workers to determine their eligibility for benefits and their benefit amounts. Since the Social Security Act was passed in 1935, employers throughout the U.S. have collected payroll taxes from workers' paychecks. These deductions help fund future Medicare and Social Security retirement, disability, and survivors' benefits for workers and their families. Today, we randomly assign most SSNs through a program known as enumeration at birth. That's when parents apply for their newborn's number at the same time they apply for a birth certificate. For most people, that's the number they'll use for the rest of their lives. Some non-citizens may be able to get an SSN if they've been given permission to work by the Department of Homeland Security, or if a local, state, or federal law requires an SSN to get a government benefit or service. You don't need an SSN to register for school, enroll in private health insurance, apply for subsidized housing, or, in most states, to get a driver's license. However, a new employer should ask for your SSN when you start a new job so your earnings are credited to your number and record. Some banks and credit unions may ask for your SSN when you open an account. You may also be asked to provide your SSN when you get a passport, file your taxes, or need help from the IRS with another tax issue. If you legally change your name, be sure to let us know so we can update our records and mail you a corrected card. You must show us an original document that proves your legal name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or a court order. You should treat your number as confidential information and, when possible, avoid giving it out unnecessarily. And don't carry your Social Security card with you. If you suspect your SSN was stolen and you've been a victim of identity theft, you can file a report with the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, at www.identitytheft.gov. The FTC can help you determine what to do next. If you've lost your Social Security card, you may not need a replacement, as a physical card isn't always necessary. In most cases, just knowing your SSN is enough. If you do need a new card with your same SSN, the easiest way for most adults to request one is online with a free My Social Security account. For more information, go to ssa.gov/number-card and answer a few questions. If you aren't able to use your personal My Social Security account to get a replacement, or you need a replacement card for your child, you can still begin the application online and complete the process in a local Social Security office or card center. There's no charge for a Social Security number or card. However, you're limited to 3 replacement cards in a year and 10 in a lifetime, with some exceptions. Your SSN is a unique identifier and your first and lifelong connection to us. For more information about the Social Security number and card, visit ssa.gov/number-card.
Social Security, securing today and tomorrow.
Produced at U.S. taxpayer expense.